Ni hao, comrades. Today we're talking about the NHM91. Stay tuned. The NHM91 was produced by Norinco, which is a Chinese state-owned defense corporation that manufactures a wide range of defensive products and is still one of the largest defensive contractors in the world. This rifle is a civilian semi-automatic variant of the Chinese Type 56 assault rifle. The NHM91 was built to imitate the appearance of the Russian RPK light machine gun, but it is not a true RPK. This rifle has a lot of similarities with the RPK and features the stronger, thicker receiver. It is the 1.5 mil compared to the normal 1.0 millimeter. It also has a stronger, thicker front trunnion, and it has a thicker chrome lined barrel that measures 20 inches compared to the normal 16-inch AK-47. Now my rifle is in its original state. This is how they had to be imported because it was classified as an assault rifle, and now it is a sporting rifle. So the takedown of this rifle is very simple. First you're going to want to take out the magazine, and you're going to want to take off the safe so you could cycle the bolt to make sure that it is completely unloaded. Next you're going to want to take off the dust cover. That's just to protect it. Second, you take out the spring. That's what makes it reciprocate. Then you take out the bolt and the piston. This is pretty much the whole bolt carrier group. Inside is the firing pin, and you have the bolt. And those kind of marriage together, go inside each other, twist around. Just stick it back in. You just put it into your gas tube, and you want to push down with a firm pressure. Then you want to stick your spring in, lock it in the back, replace the dust cover. Simple as that. Not too many moving parts on an AK-47. You have your safety switch. Before storage, always make sure it is completely unloaded, and I like to depress the trigger so it's not with tension. Put the safety back on and it's ready to store. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you like my content. Thanks for watching.